Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be really interesting because this is the first video of skincare I'll be sharing on my channel with you. As we all know, it's lockdown going on everywhere and we are not supposed to step out of our homes, and we are not able to take care of our skin properly because we are continuously staying at home and everything is getting messed up, like हमारे schedules, सोना उठना खाना पीना, everything is totally messed up, or that will obviously affect our skin also. So I thought, why not share a DIY home facial video which will help you through this lockdown to get your skin better. So this facial includes many more things like massages, face massage, extraction, exfoliation. So I'll be showing you some market products जिससे कि you can do your facial at home, and I will also be telling you the ingredients which you will easily get at your homes जिससे कि also you can do your facial at home. So guys, वीडियो को लास्ट तक ज़रूर देखना, and if you find this video helpful to you, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, guys. So without any further ado, let's head towards our video. So as you can see guys, I had removed all the makeup from my face. So we will be heading with our first step, which is cleansing. Cleansing, you can take any face wash or any cleanser which you are having at your home. So I'm using this Gluton face wash as a cleanser. You can also use milk and aloe vera gel instead of using any market wale cleansers. You can go ahead for DIY cleanser, that is raw milk, and you can also add aloe vera gel to it and you're good to go. As you can see, we are done with our cleansing. So now it's time for exfoliation or scrubbing our face. So we're using this McAfee ka face scrub. So now my skin feels absolutely smooth because स्क्रब करने के बाद स्किन काफ़ी अच्छे से डीपली एक्सफोलिएट हो जाती है, और उसी कारण से हमारे स्किन से ब्लैक हेड्स, वाइट हेड्स और जो भी स्किन पे डेड सेल्स है वो रिमूव हो जाते हैं. इंस्टेड ऑफ यूजिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ स्क्रब्स, इफ़ यू रियली डोंट वांटेड टू यूज़ दिस काइंड ऑफ मार्केट वाला स्टफ, देन यू कैन really go ahead and you can make DIY scrub, that is just take a bit of coffee, and if you are oily skin type, then do not add any honey or any coconut. Guys, our third step is extraction, and for that I'm taking a cloth dipped in hot water and I'm going to place it on my face where I tend to have more black and white heads. Be using this extractor which I had got from Nykaa. The fourth step of facial is face massage, one of my super favorite step, and thumbs up if you also like face massages. For face massage, we will be using bio oil and olive oil. see, and you also can see the glow and radiance on my face instantly. हमारी मसाज के बाद में, स्पेशल ऑयल मसाज के बाद में। स्पेशल इसलिए बोला है क्योंकि इसमें हमने ऑलिव ऑयल के साथ में बायो ऑयल ऐड करके लगाया था, एंड दिस बोथ ऑयल्स आर अमेजिंग फॉर योर स्किन और दे बोथ आर बेस्ट एट देयर प्लेसेस, इसलिए ये हमारी स्पेशल ऑयल मसाज थी फेस के लिए। गाइस, अब फर्स्ट स्टेप ऑफ फेशियल इज फेस पैक। सो फॉर फेस पैक आई विल बी यूजिंग दिस DIY फेस पैक जो कि मैंने घर पे बनाया। इट इज़ अ DIY Upton फेस पैक। आई विल ऑल्सो बी शेयरिंग अ होल procedure to make a different type of face packs and face masks for you in my another video. So for this, you can see the pimples all over here, all over my face. Like I'm a person who never gets any acne or never gets any pimple. Like my skin is not at all acne prone skin, but still lockdown mein I got so my skin is feeling a lot better than before, but still कुछ steps अभी भी बाकी है। So the step which I am going to show you now is an additional step जो कि मैंने ऐड किया है मेरे फेशियल के प्रोसीजर पे, जो कि मुझे स्पेशली बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है। जो स्टेप व्हाट हैपन इज व्हेनेवर वी अप्लाई सम उपटन और एनी फेस पैक फेशियल के टाइम पे, तो जैसे कि हम फेस पे ऑयल मसाजेस या क्रीम मसाजेस करते हैं, उसके बाद जो फेस पैक का प्रोसीजर आता है तो स्किन काफ़ी हीट रिलीज़ करने लगती है। फेस पैक रिमूव करने के बाद में या वॉश करने के बाद में तो काफ़ी हीट रिलीज़ होने लगती है हमारे स्किन की सरफेस से। टू कूल इट डाउन, ये स्टेप मैंने खुद के फेशियल में ऐड किया है, विच इज़ माई फेवरेट स्टेप एंड आई रियली लव टू शेयर विथ यू, जो कि है दिस शीट मास्क वाला स्टेप। हियर आई एम हैविंग सम ऑफ माई शीट मास्क जो कि विच आई लव टू अप्लाई ऑन माई फेस, ये फेस पैक रिमूव करने के बाद में। सो वॉट आई यूज टू डू इज आई यूज टू कीप दिस शीट मास्क इन रेफ्रिजरेटर फॉर 2 to 3 hours, देन आई अप्लाइड ऑन माई फेस पैक रिमूव करने के बाद में। सो आई एम गोइंग टू अप्लाई दिस कोलाजन वाला फेस शीट मास्क ऑन माई फेस। मैंने इसे रेफ्रिजरेट करके रख दिया था 2-3 घंटे पहले, and now it is ready to be used on my face. We have to keep it on our skin for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Guys, you can easily see the results on my face, on my skin. You can see my skin is more radiant and more glowy than it was before, and my skin is totally hydrated and totally healthy right now. Our sixth step is toner. We are using toner now just to shut or just to minimize all the pores which were left open on our skin. Guys, if you are not having any market wala toner or you don't want to use any market wala toner, then you can literally go ahead for rice water, because rice water is also magical water, as you had already heard about it. So you can go for rice water as a toner, which will also works absolutely good to minimize your pores. Guys, the last step is moisturizing, which will definitely lead the video to its end. So for moisturizing, you can use any kind of moisturizer. Here I am having Cetaphil, Pond's or whatever you have at your home, you can use that moisturizer. If you don't want to put moisturizer on your face, then here I am having a alternative. You can put an aloe vera gel on your face. I am not using any market wala bottle wala aloe vera gel. It for today's video, guys. I hope this video is a bit helpful to you, and if so, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Glam and Glow, and then stay safe, stay home and take care. Bye bye.